Hello, my friends. I just took my boys to school. Justin is still not feeling well. I feel so bad for him. He feels a lot better than yesterday, though, so that's good. I was just touching up my makeup upstairs here because I'm going to film a clean with me video. I'm focusing mainly on the kitchen, the bathroom, the living room area because we're having our friends over on Sunday because it was his birthday in August, and it takes time for friends to like schedule a day where everyone is available and their kids don't have activities. So we're seeing each other on Sunday. Justin's making pizza. I'm making tres leches cake for the first time because it's his favorite cake. What else? They have 3 kids, a lovely wife. We went to the Arboretum together. So, things are like, falling into place. We're making friends slowly but surely. I don't care to have a lot of friends. I just care to have good quality friends. The other day I got to walk with my friend Amy. We went on I don't know how many miles it was, but we went on a nice walk together and it was just really nice. It's just fun getting to know each other more. We met at the gym and then she stopped working out at the gym for a while. But I'm allowed to bring a buddy at the gym. So she's going to go to the gym with me and be my free buddy for one of the days soon, like I think next week. So looking forward to that. She's my friend who makes sourdough. I'm really picky. Some people have reached out to me about like hanging out and stuff, like, and I can tell whether or not we like would get along, or like sometimes you can just tell immediately and sometimes you can't, you know what I mean? Like there have been people that I thought would work out, but then it didn't work out because years later I find out that they have prioritized new friends over me, and that's okay. Everything is a lesson learned and everything is growing pains. But I know that we're just new friends, my new friend and I. And so I don't expect anything from her. I don't expect her to put me first. I don't expect to be invited into her home, even though she did invite me immediately after, like when I visited her while she was getting well from a medical thing. And I think that's why I was so drawn to her, because like we just vibed well, you know what I mean? Like we both were foodies and our answers was, that's how we met. Like our trainer was like, what's your favorite food? And we both were like, dessert. Little did we know we were both like bakers, lover of foods and all the things. She's more of a pro baker. I'm just an amateur that likes to film myself doing it. But I'm not going to play myself. Just because you're not like trained or an owner of a thing or this and that doesn't make you less of a baker. Like some of the best meals are not at your restaurants. They're by grandma. And is grandma a chef? No, but grandma can throw it down. And I'd like to say that one day I'm going to be grandma, and I'm going to be the grandma that my future grandchildren talk about and be like, oh my God, I love grandma's lemon bars. Her chocolate chip cookies were so good. Her lasagna was insane. Like I want my kids to come home and look forward to meals. And I've been cooking a lot more. Like it's been on purpose. It's training myself because I want to be a better cook. And also, can I be honest? We haven't found a lot of really good restaurants here. It takes time. And so lately I've been like drawn to my cooking more so than ordering DoorDash. Even when like we have a bunch of stuff going on, I prefer to eat a home cooked meal instead of some random meal that is like mediocre. Do you feel me? I know time is valuable, and so I make sure that I have time to do so. If not, we gonna go to Culver's, because Culver's is the good fast food here in Minnesota. It's so bomb. Like I love me some Culver's. Their onion rings are good. Their shrimp, but see, even their shrimp, they have like a butterfly shrimp meal with fries or onion rings that you can order. That's really good, but at the same time, I'm like, I know Gordon's Fisherman tastes the same, and I could just pop that in my air fryer. I know, I'm so weird. Anyways, I'm gonna go film a cleaning video. Hey friends, so I was cleaning all day. I finished. Sorry I don't have my mic. I'm still trying to learn how to be with a mic, but sometimes I just want to vlog and not like have to set up, you know? We got this from Purina. They sent it to us in honor of Charlie because we worked with Purina and Charlie was in all the videos, and we let them know Charlie had passed away, and they asked us if they could send us flowers, and we were like, of course you can. Wow, these are stunning. Charlie, you got flowers, buddy. Wow, these are stunning. I made spaghetti for dinner. It was easy. We had to get out the house. Justin's already leaving with the boys for the Boy Scout meeting. And I am going to curriculum night for Jacob's 3rd grade curriculum night. I'm going to leave the same time as them. Actually, they're leaving 5 minutes early. My curriculum night isn't until 6:30. This is my outfit. I didn't know what to wear to meet the teacher, but it's what I had. And then my bag I got at home TJ Maxx. I did with Susan. Oh, I miss Susan. I miss her so much. We keep in touch though. But yeah, I like this TJ Maxx bag because it also comes with this bag inside. And like you can put random stuff in it because you know it doesn't zip close. So this is a good way to like keep everything inside. And then you can, why am I trying to like tell you about my bag? I guess it's because I like it. I also have a set of Uno cards because I like to play Uno with the kids. This is also the bag I take for like piano lessons. I have my phone. And then there's like a closure here. I like this bag a lot. Oh, I used to have a charm. I don't know where that charm went. I think it fell off, but hopefully I find it. Oh, and I brought a pen. I'm not sure what else I need. I guess I'll bring a notebook. Clean with me video, and then after that, what? Oh, heck to the no. The thunderstorms are here, and I'm like not dressed for a thunderstorm. I just heard it and went. Don't nobody want you here, thunderstorm, please, not today. Anyways, I gotta go, friends. It's so crazy. We all got back the same time. Justin got back from the scout meeting with the kids. And then he even YOLO'd a grocery list. Like last minute got some groceries. Oh, my doll. Thank you, my love. I was running low. But the apple crisp, we're going apple picking in 2 days.
Can we start by complimenting the fact
that
I
said thank you, but what? We're gonna go apple picking, my guy.
I'm sorry.
That's one thing.
I spaced.
That's one thing. I'm just trying to aggressively suggest the fact that we don't need apple. Aggressively. No, it's okay. I can use it to eat it for movie night. You know,
I can use it to eat it.
Use it to eat it. You know, yeah. I'm not gonna say no to apples, especially Honeycrisp. You know, Amy and I were talking. I went on like a 3-mile walk with my friend the other day, and we were talking about how Apple Crisp is the best apple to ever exist.
Do you have any comments about my pineapple? This was my son's selection.
We're not pineapple
okay.
Picking, so we're not in Hawaii, are we? Yeah, Jacob, your teacher's really nice. I got to meet her and all the things. I love this little trainer. It's such a good little trainer. I have it linked on my Amazon storefront. If you guys are interested, I'll put it down below. It's like in like all my Amazon favorites, but I love that stuff. I still do my unbag my groceries stuff. I just haven't filmed that in a while. But I still do my same routine. I wash everything and then I put it away. Oh, honey, the dishes are still going like that.
I know.
Give that to me. Give me your spoon. Put it right there. Thank you, baby. One more time, just because I like doing it. Good morning, friends. How are you? I got my coffee, and then I'm going to put this in. This is pretty new. I think I told you about it. Coffee Break with Danny. I was watching her vlogs. she mentioned this. It's a protein drink, and it has the most protein I've ever seen in a drink, 42 grams. It's lactose free. It tastes like chocolate milk. I also like the vanilla one. And then my trainer said I could add creatine powder if I wanted to, because he does that in his coffee. And I was like, that's smart, because I have these gummy ones, and they're not. They're gross.
It's freezing already.
Yeah, this is a new gel. It's got to be. It freezes your hair fast.
Yeah, it went really fast.
Yeah, so you gotta work fast. I found this sauce. Do you remember from the wedding? I'm doing this because we don't have a lot anymore. Chimborazo is a restaurant in Minnesota. They had a food truck at the... Oh, that's a lot. They had a food truck at the wedding, and it was so good. I told Justin, if there's any place that we go out to eat, this is going to be so good, and we need to buy more of this. Or I could make it. See, I'd be turning everything into... I could make it now. Yeah, but like... Oh, shoot! Girl lunch, girl dinner. I love that saying. This is so good, the green sauce. I'm gonna put it down though because I want to chat with you friends. So the vet that put our sweet Charlie down, she's not the vet that works at the hospital that Charlie goes to, or the vet clinic. And Charlie's vet, the Minnesota vet, she only met Charlie like maybe twice since we moved here, because it hasn't even been a year since moving here. But the vet sent us a letter. It was so sweet. They share our homes only for a lifetime, but we carry them in our hearts forever. With sympathy at this time of loss. Sorry, girl, I need my glasses. Very sad to learn about your Charlie. Saying goodbye is never easy. I hope you find comfort knowing he is no longer suffering. With sympathy, Doctor. What a sweet doctor. Thank you, Doctor. We love you. So sweet of her. I love that. That's so sweet. And that's so funny because it looks like Clifford the dog and it looks like sunrise. Oh, there was something else I wanted to share. So my Awala water bottle has been wonderful to me, but all of a sudden one day the original top, this part broke. And so I was like, I don't want to buy a new water bottle. I mean, like I use all my old water bottles, but I don't want to buy a new one of this because I like it because I like holding it like this for some reason. And so I bought a new, just the top itself for like $7, $8. I think it was $7.99, whatever, on Amazon. So if you ever have issues with your tops of your water bottles, any kind, just search the lid that you need, get it on Amazon, and you're good to go. You ain't got to buy a new water bottle. I love that. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to eat some more, and I'm so excited because we are going to go apple picking tomorrow. It's the boys' soccer game, and I get to make a soccer goodie bag. I'm about to do that after I shower because I got to shower after I eat. This is some good iced coffee. Have I showed you my mix? Oh my gosh, I need to show you before I go. I need to show you because it's so yummy. So let me put you down right over here, my friends, and show you. Okay, so this is the combo. I like this coffee a lot. Any coffee, even on my machine, but then the machine comes out hot, and so it just isn't the same as like really cold coffee. So this one is so yummy. I love this almond creamer. Anyways, this together makes the best iced coffee, and I just want to be like shaking it like that. I got to catch up with my friend Nini. Nini's one of my best friends. I think we've been friends for a decade now because our kids, Liam and Isaac, they have been besties like at one-ish, I think, since they were one. So that's crazy. They've been friends for that long. I was sharing with Nini, I was all like, my kids are not allowed to have sleepovers at anyone's house. It's not something that I allow them to do. Like, there's no such thing as sleepovers. Like, you sleep at your house or your Bobby Saba's house or Sophia's house because, you know, family. And then Liam said to me, how about Isaac? I'm like, Isaac's family, because we know that family very well. We love Nini. You know, we love Isaac, Noah, we love Omar. Like, they are family to us. It's like beyond friendship, you know? So, of course, I trust them within a sleepover. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with this, but I will never change my mind about sleepovers. There's been so much on sleepovers, and I think it's a cultural thing as well. Like Filipinos, we do not let our kids be sleeping at other people's houses because for what? You got your own bed. There's a lot of reasons as to why I don't believe that my baby should be in a sleepover. I won't get into it, but let me know. Do your kids have sleepovers? Like, it's such a touchy subject. A lot of people are like, oh, why? Baby, this is my children, okay? These are my kids. I get to pick how I parent them, and they're doing an amazing job, and they're not missing out on one sleepover. I've heard of stories about sleepovers, like kids talking to people on Omegle and then meeting up with them and this and that. For like during a sleepover. I've heard too many stories. It's not gonna happen here. So no sleepovers. But I do want to share my highlight of the day was catching up with Nini. I love chatting with my besties, and it's so funny because I was just talking about friendships the other day, yesterday, and then Nini randomly calls to catch up. So yeah, it was nice chatting with her, and the flowers for Char Banks. So beautiful. I had that clean with me video up already. I know my clean with me videos, they tend to do the best on the gram, so I like to post them because they make me happy too. So yeah, go check it out. Bye friends.